Connie Ferguson pens heartfelt post to daughter. Actress and businesswoman Connie Ferguson had a heartfelt message of love for her and Jonah Ferguson's daughter Ellie on her 19th birthday. Posting snaps of the day of celebration, Connie dedicated a letter to her last-born child. Having a close-knit mother-daughter relationship, the star had only words of encouragement and praise for her beloved Ellie. "A very happy birthday to my gym buddy, my dance coach, my heart soother, my dando, my heart, my last-born, my everything, 19. God is good. May all your deepest wishes and dreams be realized, my baby Ellie Ferguson. With your drive and passion, you can be absolutely anything you want to be. Happy birthday, my angel. I love you more than words can express," she wrote. Besides being a high-powered media mogul, Connie is fond of those special moments with family. Just last month, the Queen producer was ecstatic to celebrate her father's birthday. Posting to Instagram, Connie said it was a day that brought immense joy to their family during the pandemic. "I have never seen him so happy. He looks younger than he did last year with the most youthful spirit. And he's always the first to boast about how good he looks. That his skin is still fresh. I thank God for your life, Papa. I thank God that at 85, you have all your wits about you. You are still sharp, still smart, still funny, still wise, and still strong." Yeah.